Hello friends, I'm Opikim Chandani. You know as well, me very well. Some tips I'll give you for speaking English that you don't need any guide, you don't need any mentor, you don't need any spoken teacher or trainer. So some tips will be given by me as you have to notice that. First tip is that monologue. Monologue is that you have to talk with yourself in English. If you are speaking with yourself, then you can learn better. Second is that have discussion with yourself. If you speak English, then you have to start discussion at yourself, like you found out in topic and you take the against and for, like you can say smart work, that's hard work, impact of digital form or internet, advantage and disadvantage, early marriage and after marriage, and mobile phone is useful for the students or not, homework which must be given to the student as or not, and money make the mayor go, and if youth enter into the politics, so that will be good or bad. And there are so many topics that you can get it, like the best day of my life and what the worst day of my life. Next, that if we will make a practice and learn by the direct method and we use our interesting way for speaking, then we can get some impact on our life. So how do I start? That I will tell you that first of all, I don't know even English about how to speak, but when I meet with some foreigners that they were speaking and I don't get any many means for them, so I started with talking with myself. I thought about how they speak, what is the accent of that. But day by day, when I make a practice and I asked some foreigners how to improve my English, so they told me that you have to make a captions reading, like when the subtitle is going on under the movie or like that, you have to read it and you have to understand it. The main thing is that listening is also important and you have to make work yourself. So wish you happy new year. Thank you. Bye bye.